The Supreme Court announced it failed to find the source of the leak of the draft opinion overturning Roe v. Wade.
This comes more than 8 months after the unprecedented leak. NBC's Bree Jackson is in Washington, D.C. And Bree, what went into this investigation?
Good morning, Maureen, Danielle. Well, investigators say they interviewed 97 Supreme Court employees and performed forensic analysis, but still the identity of the leaker remains a mystery. After a lengthy investigation, the Supreme Court says it's unable to conclusively identify who leaked the draft opinion published in Politico last May. The stunning leak revealing the High Court's plan to roll back abortion rights.
This has never happened in American history, and the court may never be the same when it comes to the trust between the justices and all of their law clerks, because it has only been about trust.
The Supreme Court marshal conducted the investigation, focusing on law clerks and permanent employees, checking their phones and browsing history, but still coming up short.
I think they do want to get to an answer. The question of how they went about it and whether there was other steps that they could have taken, I think are fair questions to ask.
Rise up for abortion rights! The leak set off nationwide protests from both sides of the abortion debate and served as a preview of the court's final ruling in June overturning Roe v. Wade.
The only way to restore the protections of Roe is for Congress to pass a national law codifying the right to choose. No executive action will actually deal with that.
Today, thousands will gather in Washington, D.C. for the annual March for Life rally. Organizers tell me the fight over abortion rights is not over.
So at the march, our goal is to work for the day when abortion is unthinkable.
This marks the first time the event will be held since the Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade. And when it comes to the leaked draft opinion, the Supreme Court marshal also says that it's unlikely that the High Court's information technology systems were compromised. Maureen?
And Bree, although Roe v. Wade is no longer on the books, we're hearing the administration still has plans to celebrate the 50th anniversary. Is that right?
That's correct. Well, Vice President Kamala Harris plans to travel to Florida and give a speech on Sunday commemorating what would have been the 50th anniversary. The administration continues to push for Congress to take action and do more to codify Roe v. Wade, or codify the right for an abortion.
All right. Bree Jackson live for us with an update. Thank you so much.